Alright, so this is gonna be unboxing, opening, and review of this Onn 43-inch flat screen TV. I already have one open over in the corner over here, but I'm gonna do an unboxing for you all on this one, and then I'm gonna mount both of these on the wall, on the side by side, and this is gonna be my gaming section.
Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos on miniature model homes and popsicle stick creations from me, Daddy DIY.
Alright, so let's see what they put in this box. Like I said, it's Onn Roku Smart TV, 43-inch FD FHD Smart TV. It's just something to go down here in the man cave, something to play a video game off of. It doesn't have to be the, 3D, fast quality, 4K, all that. It's a good, nice, cheap TV. Show good, good enough to play games on. This was under the $300 mark. I think I paid under $450 for both TVs. I went directly to Walmart and I bought it online. Alright, when you first open it, right here on the top, you see the remote. And it looks just like a Roku remote. Got your Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Apple TV, your directional thing, your home, back power. Oh, but on the side, they added volume and a mute. And power. Power usually isn't on a Roku. But if you touch a Roku, most people know to turn on your TV and other things. Some 4 screws here. These are to attach your legs to your TV. Leg on this side, another leg on this side of the phone. But we're not going to, I'm not even taking those out of the phone because these TVs are going straight on the wall. Don't need any legs. No legs on. No legs on. No legs on. I'm sorry, I don't like jumping around. I see the batteries, so I want to put them in the remote. So this remote is locked and loaded and ready to go. Put that to the side. Instructions, rules, we don't need those. Phone and legs, we don't need that either. Alright, now TV. I might need some help from my special assistant. Let me borrow you one of your hands there. And my knee. Hell no. Alright. We got some foam, some plastic, and a TV that you hold with pretty much one finger. Light as a whistle. Look at that. You can spin this TV. There you go. Nice thin trim around it. I like that. It's not all big and bulky. Like I said, it's very light. You got 3 HDMI inputs, earphone jack. You want to hook up some speakers, antenna, aux cord, USB. If you want to hook up some lights, your video, left, right, audio. Everything you need, the basics. The only thing that's missing is one of them big old VGA computer cords. I guess I'm the only person that still uses VGA computers. Alright, so that's the TV. We're gonna get those mounted and give you a review and let you see how they look on the wall. Actually, you know, going with some games and some smart TV shows, Netflix or something viewing real quick. I also bought the mounts from Amazon. Check out that review. It'll also be up on the page. So the review for these TVs, the reviews for the mount will be there, and then the whole Come Together project will be in the Man Cave series. So check that out.
You're watching Daddy DIY.